Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing this hair of mine. I had a low ponytail just like last week or so, and it came out really nice. I really liked it. Let me tell you, I have not attempted to do a ponytail or anything like that in my hair since like high school. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my ponytails. I already washed my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and mold it. And with doing that, I'm gonna be using this Eco Styling Gel, the Xtreme Gel. I also have the Gots to Be Glue. You need this. Yes, you definitely need this. A water spray bottle. I got this from the dollar store. And then an edge brush. Finally got mine. They sell it at the dollar store, okay? And that's the only reason why I got it. So make sure you check it out. Okay, so before jumping into doing my hair, I wanted to get as relaxed as possible, unwind. So I decided to go ahead and do a face mask. While I'm in the process of doing my ponytail, I'll be relaxing. Starting off with my water bottle, I'm just gonna like wet my hair all over. Like I said, I already just like put it in a ponytail. I just need to put gel and stuff like that on it, water it. So I'm just gonna lightly water my hair because I feel like when you're using like a curly textured weave, I feel like it's always nice to have your curl pattern at the top show because it looks like it blends in a little bit more opposed to having just like straight hair at the top. So I always like to water mine a little so it can have that ripple. Not too much, because if I water it a lot, it's gonna be like wavy. So I don't do it too much, just enough to get it a little soft at the top for me, and it's gonna be easier for me to work with too. Okay, so you can see I'm molding my hair into a ponytail. And what I do is when I push my ponytails up, I actually grab my hair so that it's making it longer and easier to work with, because I have to plait this. I have to put it in a braid. I think that always helps when you are stretching it a little bit. And then you want to go ahead and get you some jammies or rubber bands, and you're gonna put your hair in the desired position that you want it in. And for me, I'm gonna go with a higher ponytail this time. And for me, I think when you have smaller fingers, it is definitely harder to do your hair because I have tiny fingers and it is very hard for me to keep all of my hair into one ponytail. So you may see me take this ponytail out a few times, but that's just because I'm trying to get it perfect. So now I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styling Gel, and make sure you guys get the one with the orange writing on there, okay? Because I did not know that this one was banging, but this one is definitely banging, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over. Make sure you get them B2Bs in the back too. Swipe them things up. And you want to keep this out because this is what I use to lay my edges as well, because I found out that this it leaves no residue on my edges at all. Like some of the products that I use, it'll leave like a white residue. This does not leave any residue. So you want to keep this out for sure for your edges. And I'm going in with the Xtreme, and I'm gonna put that on as well. I want this ponytail to be like stiff, not even trying to move at all. I want it to be just in place, no flyaways, none of that. And I guess it's up to you if you want to take your edges out before. Me personally, I just like my edges like always stay in the same spot, so it's like I don't even have to take them out. All I do is get a little bit of water and I just push them down, and then I'll get that gel and then I'll swipe them. That's it. See, now you can see what I'm talking about. So right now I'm gonna brush my hair into this ponytail. I'm gonna just brush all of my hair up because that's the only way I'm gonna get it as high as I want it to be. So you're gonna go ahead and spray your Got To Be Glued. Be very generous, especially if you're natural. My bottle's almost out. Like, I should have got another one. And then you're just gonna go ahead and use your hands to brush that into place all around. Okay, and this is the fun part. What you're gonna do now is get you a satin scarf, and you're gonna wrap that around your head very tight so that it can mold your ponytail more. Start in the back also, like that. I'm going to blow dry this, and this is gonna help speed up the process with drying. So that is definitely nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put one more layer of spritz on there. And this time I'm gonna wrap it more towards the front area. Okay, so now that I have molded it a little more, now I am going to put a plait with this extra hair up top. And with this part, you definitely want to comb out your hair. So don't be afraid. Obviously, if you do a silk press or if you have straight hair, this would be obviously very easy for you. But if you just all natural, it's a little challenging, but you can do it. And you want to separate that into 3 parts, just like I'm doing right now. And make sure you have like the same amount of hair in each one, because that's gonna throw it off if you don't. And if you know how to plait, this would be just easy for you to do. All you have to do is just plait this part of your hair and make it very tight. And it doesn't matter if you do an over braid or under braid, just plait it, okay? Boom. Have me a nice tail. And, ooh, your girl got some length, baby. Okay, so what you're gonna do is wrap this ponytail around. You wanna make it so small that you cannot see it once you put this hair on top of it. Okay, so I have my bobby pin right in the end of my weave, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick that into my bun. Make sure that you put it in a comfortable position, because it could hurt at nighttime if you stick it in too deep and you're not able to take it out right away. So make sure you put it in a comfortable position. Okay, so now that I have my bobby pin in a comfortable position, it's good to put it like in the middle area. I'm gonna start wrapping it. And you want to make sure you're wrapping this tight, because like I said, this is not glued in. It's only being held up by a bobby pin. So any little bit of wind could definitely take this baby girl down. So make sure you you secure it. For me, this doesn't need to be secured because I'm taking it out daily, so or every 2 days. And you just want to wrap that around until you have no more hair. And when you get to the end, you're gonna take that last little piece, this right here, and you're gonna wrap that around your ponytail so that it can cover the tracks. And what I'm going to do is use a little bit of the Got to Be Glued just to help it stick a little more on my hair. And use your comb to comb that little piece out so you have a nice top piece. Okay, so I have that. Now I'm going to wet my hair and detangle it. And what I like about this hair is you can put it in a bun. You don't just have to wear it in a ponytail. You can also put it in a bun if you wanted to. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my baby hairs. And like I said, I'm gonna be using that Eco Styling Gel. And they're already down because I put water on there already, but this is just gonna help lay them completely down to where they're not moving at all. And I have a little bit of this jam, Shine and Jam. I'm gonna put some of that on there as well. And this is just to, you know, help condition it a little. And I don't put much. I literally put one little tiny bit on there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my little brush. It's really just up to you on how you like your edges. Me, I'm just gonna go with the flow. And what I'm gonna do now is take a satin headband and just wrap that around my edges and leave it on for a few minutes so that it can dry. Okay guys, so I have removed the silk scarf off of my hair. You can see my edges. I laid them down. I also sprayed a little Got to Be Glued on my fingertips and just like spotted it onto my edges just so that it could hold a little more. But this is the final results. Like I said, I used 2 packs of 20-inch deep wave hair. I also found some extra weave that I had laying around and I made this top piece right here. I just wrapped it around and I really like that I did that actually, because it's more tighter on my head. It feels a little more secure. With this hairstyle, you can also put it in a bun. Like that's what I was telling you guys. You can wrap it in a bun. It doesn't have to just be a ponytail. Like you could do this so many different ways and it still look good. You can put it to one side, you could put it to the other side, in the middle. So this is a versatile ponytail. But please don't forget, it is not glued, so do not try to be doing all this extra stuff and then your whole weave is on the flow. Okay, this is just you going to the, you know, mall real quick, 1 day, 2 day max type of thing. But it's easy to put in, so it's not like it's, you know, it's requiring a lot of time to do it. So if you guys like more videos like this, don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe, peace.